We're both pointing at the camera. Hello, YouTube. I am so heavily tired. What, you want to say hi? Nah. Okay, come on. Are you gonna blog Bella? What are you gonna tell them about your life? Hi guys, welcome to the world of Isabella. She is going to tell you about her life. Take it away, Bells. No, she rejected me. Okay. Yeah, we should drooling. There you go. Anyway, so I've had a bit of a weird, stressful week. On Monday I didn't do much, just rested. Tuesday went to work and it was fine. Like, I mean, I get paid and everything, but look at my tissue. I get paid, but am I making you yawn? Maybe that's the subliminal message of this video, to make you yawn. I just made her yawn. No, you didn't, Bria. What are you talking about? So, anyway. Yeah, Tuesday I just like kind of broke down because there was this one rude customer, and you know when there's that feeling when you know you're not doing well and that's you. Yeah.
Blue bird.
Bells. Alright, well maybe I should get back to you guys later. I gotta look after Bella, but no. In all honesty,
Apple.
play that later. Play this. In all honesty, this week has been a bit of a trauma for me. Tomorrow I'm visiting my brother and he's not doing so well. Yes. Really? Is that what you have to say? Well, I hope you liked me and Bella's little blog, and I'll get back to you guys soon, maybe tomorrow. I'm sorry I haven't... Really? So, that's so offensive, Bella. Why did you say that? That's really mean. It is. Alright, I love you guys. Bye.